Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Bitcoin Cash, a cryptocurrency that has been making waves in the world of digital currencies. So, what exactly is Bitcoin Cash? Well, Bitcoin Cash is a cryptocurrency that was created in 2017 as a result of a hard fork from the original Bitcoin blockchain. A hard fork is when there is a permanent split in the blockchain, resulting in two separate versions of the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin Cash was created to address some of the scalability issues of the original Bitcoin blockchain. Bitcoin Cash has a larger block size limit of 8 MB, compared to the original Bitcoin's 1 MB block size limit. This means that Bitcoin Cash can process more transactions per second, making it faster and more efficient than Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash also has lower transaction fees compared to Bitcoin, making it a more cost-effective option for users. This is because the larger block size allows for more transactions to be included in each block, reducing the overall demand for block space and subsequently reducing fees. One of the main differences between Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash is their respective communities and philosophies. Bitcoin Cash proponents believe that cryptocurrencies should be used for everyday transactions, and that the emphasis should be on making the currency more accessible and user-friendly. On the other hand, Bitcoin advocates for Bitcoin to be more of a store of value, like gold. So, that's a brief overview of what Bitcoin Cash is and how it differs from Bitcoin. As with any investment or financial decision, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved before making any decisions. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.